Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this month's mini mixed media kit, it has the wooden panel that we're going to embellish, and it measures, I guess, roughly 4 by 6, 4 by 7. That's kind of the rough measurement. Pretty good size though. It has a couple of holes up at the top, and we've got this twine that we will tie onto there so that if you wanted to hang it on the wall, you could. And then we've also got 3 chipboard pieces. You'll get some kind of random nature spring themed chipboard pieces. And then we've also got some flowers. So this month we're getting 4 flowers. Sometimes we get like 2 or 3. This month we're getting 4 flowers, as well as these leaves. Since this is the every other month, where if you are an existing subscriber, you won't get the palette knife and the paintbrush. So we've thrown in a couple of, a few extra embellishments for you. We've also got a chipboard piece. These are going out in the mini and the mixed media kits this month. This is our, floral collection, chipboard collection for this month. And I need to post a video or some pictures about that. I tell you, this month has gone by so fast. It's just slipping away from me. So, and then you'll also get these Say It in crystals. These, I believe, are from the With Love collection that came out, I think it was last year with Prima. Earlier in the month, we had the, I think it was called Nature's Beauty Say It in crystals. So we ran out of those, so we're sending out these instead. And then for the paint colors, we're doing 2 paint colors this month. That's part of the extras that you'll receive. We've got Magical Pond and Coral Green. And they're going to be poured in these 1/2 ounce jars. So you'll receive that, as part of your project. And you'll also get a stencil. These are some of the stencils that we've made. We've got various sizes and designs, but they're all pretty similar with the swirls, the floral leaf design on them. So you'll just get a random selection, probably about the size of this one. I think it's perfect. Since this is a small project, it's perfect with what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's see what we're going to end up creating with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this stencil, and I'm going to paint in some of the coral green paint, and I'll just kind of go around the sides with this stencil and paint color. to do the same thing with the Magical Pond paint to just kind of fill in some of this space so I don't have a lot of blank space in the background. So now I'm just kind of placing some of the embellishments down. I like to kind of put some of this stuff together to get an idea of where everything's going to go so I can know what it's going to look like. And then from there I'll start gluing everything down. I think I'll add a little bit more of the stenciling with the blue paint just to cover up some more of the blank space in the background. And that will be it for this tutorial video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.